Might be a little blurry because it's dark, but I just wanted to show a little bit of the hurricane. It's how it's raining out here. Gotta be careful because this is not a waterproof camera. But yeah, about 1:30 in the morning, September 4th, Wednesday. And I believe this is part of the hurricane. Yeah, be careful. Like I said, this isn't a waterproof camera, so I'm not going to film too long with this. But finally getting some Hurricane Dorian, or Dorian, or however you say it. It's really coming down, like you can tell on the ground. It is really wet. It's been kind of going up and down. It was going even harder earlier. So we're getting some of it. These are the outer bands. Alright, want to show you, give a little update on how things are going.